2nd September 2017. Delhi Ghazipur landfill collapse. The landfill was supposed to shut down 15 years ago, but it continued for more 15 years. So the result was obvious. Who paid the price? We people paid the price. Actually, I would say the poor people paid the price, right? One more I have. March 16, 2019. 90 pounds of plastic waste inside the stomach of a whale. The whale died due to starvation because there was plastic in her or her stomach. It may be just news items, but it really, I really feel for both the items and especially for the second one. We are the doers, we are the greeders, and other people, other organisms are paying the price. I don't know when are we going to sensitize about all this. The problem might seem to be complicated, but it is simple. But the solution is simple. You might think that okay, we have to do so many things, and we might have to employ so many items and do a lot of complicated things. But no, we just need to follow a few simple steps. The problem is waste, and the solution is waste segregation. That is, separate your waste. Start by separating your waste. Now, waste segregation might seem a very big term, and it may involve a lot of aspects, and it does involve a lot of aspects. But let's start with one of them. Let's start with simple basic steps. I'm going to share you 5 simple things which we can follow as individuals daily and bring real impact, bring real change. It starts from home, right? It's the things which I personally follow every day in my life, and I advise people around me to follow it. So let's start with number 1. Carry your own simple bag. It may sound complicated, but we never forget to carry our phone or wallet, say. Why forget to carry your bag? I have heard many excuses, people saying we need to go to offices, we are going to college or something like that. We don't have time to carry bag, but you don't need time, you just need to be more organized. And always carry a small bag, small carry bag. It may be a plastic bag also, which you're using on a daily basis. That's in that way, you're not taking the plastic outside, right? You're reusing it. So carry your own simple bag so that every time you go outside, purchase your vegetables or anything, you can do it. You don't have to get a new plastic bag. Second solution is recycle and reuse whatever plastic available around you. Here there are plastic cans, you can plastic dabbas which you can reuse every time. And or else the shampoo bottles or the cream bottles which we compile them, and then after some time sell it to the kabadi walas. They are roaming in your streets every day, in your gullies every day, every morning. So sell them, and it will be a source of your new pocket money, isn't it? Third, which I would suggest is it might be subjective again, but I try to follow every time, at least how many times I could. Try to choose your restaurants carefully. If you're ordering through Swiggy and Zomato, and if you can afford, then try to go for restaurants which are environment friendly, which don't offer plastic cutlery and such stuffs. So again I'm saying it is subjective, but as far as you could do, as far as it's possible, try to do it, right? Then the fourth one which I would suggest is be a responsible consumer. If you're using some plastic items outside or while traveling, you could always control not to throw them outside, right? Or not to throw them outside the vehicle. You can always choose to throw them or dump them inside the plastic bin, which will be recycled. The last point and the most important one will be conscious about your plastic consumption. Try to reduce as much as possible. Try to reduce your plastic consumption as much as possible. It seems complicated, but it isn't. Your daily items, whatever you're purchasing, try to purchase rations from Kirana's dukan or ration dukans where it is possible, where you're getting it in loose form, where you won't get it in a packet form. It might seem old, and it might seem taking a step backward in this modern and high-raising technological world, but it all worth it, you know. It is all worth it. We have done so much harm, and it's high time that we correct. It's high time that we take responsibility of our own actions. Waste segregation is a long process, but we need to start from somewhere. This will be our somewhere. I have already started. Let's see when are you ready to start the same thing? It has many benefits. It will reduce your waste. It will help you turn the waste into something productive. It will help the rat pickers who get so much of injuries while segregating your waste. And believe me, it is going to save a lot of money and energy. Do you know that if you're making something from a recycled plastic, it consumes 75% less energy? So maybe think about that and start recycling your plastic, or start thinking about how harmful plastic is. It's just okay. Why should I think about whale? Let's get selfish here then. Don't think about her. Think about your own self. How long is it that our stomachs are going to choke with plastic? It's time to start. It's high time. These simple steps are going to bring lots of difference in the environment. The choice is yours, and I leave it up to you. Thank you for watching. So this is the plastic bag I have been filling with all my bread, biscuits, rusk, and even the milk sachet I have been collecting here. I'm hoping to give it to some Raddiwala soon. Let's see what happens. I'll keep updating you.